In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to begin making a new blank sway using Microsoft Sway and how to put in a background picture and a title slide. First, you go to Sway, click on the new blank sway plus sign. When it comes up, it'll prompt you to enter a title for your sway, and I will title this Fun Family Holiday Cards. It allows you to, or asks you if you'd like to put in a background picture. So I think I'm going to search for a picture of snow falling. You see this gives you Creative Commons. You could check that off so you can respect people's rights for their copyright. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to click Add. And now I'd like to preview what that might look like. Actually, I think I'm going to make that a little darker. Okay, so press play. Wow, that looks really cool. Don't worry about the colors here because you'll have the option to change that later. And that's how you add a title and, ooh, it's a little animated background picture.